After possibly 2 months of waiting, ICEMAN episode 3 is finally here, because ICEMAN episode 2 was a hit with which one? ICEMAN episode 1 was a hit with What Did I Miss? So let's see what ICEMAN 3 is about. Apparently it's all insanely supposed to be crazy, exposing loads of things, blue, green, red. This is the red part. It was going to be insanely crazy. It is filmed in Italy as well, so let's really just see what it's about. And of course, it's just not even moving. Okay, bro, where is Drake, bro? Why is bro taking a million years to come out? Jesus Christ, bro. Alright, there we go. Yo. What is this, bro? Okay, he's letting us know where he's at with all these shots. He's at some golf course in Italy. He's showing the location. Okay, bro. We know you're rich. We know. Ice, of course. Iceman. We get it. We get it, Drake. We get it.
Che cosa sei? Che cosa sei?
Non vorrei parlare.
Cosa sei?
Ma tu sei la frase d'amore
Where's that him?
cominciata e mai finita.
Non cambi mai, non cambi mai, non cambi mai.
Tu sei il mio ieri, il mio oggi
Proprio mai.
e il mio sempre, inquietudine.
Adesso ormai ci puoi provare. Chiamami tormento, dai, già che ci sei.
Tu sei come il vento che porta i violini e le rose.
Caramelle, non ne voglio più.
Certe volte
But what were people saying in the chat?
Le rose e i violini, questa sera raccontali un'altra.
Yeah, let's just skip ahead to this Iceman track. Okay, here's something. Hopefully, bro, gonna pop out. Nah, yeah, we get it. We understand what that says. 100%. Bro, why do I sound like the craziest hater, bro? This is literally my favorite artist, bro. Come on, bro. What is is that him? What? Yo, I'm so confused. I'm sure this literally has like 50 different meanings and I just don't understand it right now. And they're gonna be like crazy threads, but bruh. Can we get to the main part? I'm trying to hear the song, bruh. And apparently there's multiple as well. Apparently there's like more than one. Oh wait. He's coming. He's here, he's here, he's here. This was filmed live, right? Yo, he's so crazy, bro. Oh my god, bro. He got the work uniform on, the Iceman uniform. Okay. Yo, why do they look like they're about to do some deal or something? Wait, is this where the song gonna like premiere? Okay. We sat down. Bro, look at the way he sits. Bro, who is that? What is this? Wait, that's a building. Is this the song with Yeat? Why are you looking like a Russian mafia boss member, bruh? What is that hairstyle? Why is he looking like that?
Oh, you made it all right?
Wait, they're speaking for the first time.
Everything set up just in case anything go left. I bet. I'll see if I see you. Love, Twist.
Yo. Bro doing some doing, he's like, love Twiz. Yo. What is this building though? What's like the significance of them playing whatever they're playing? This ain't even hockey, bruh. What do they even do? What are they even doing there with these balls? Wait, apparently there's a song with Yeat called Doghouse. The big Iceman. There's some championship area, what? Like, what is the significance of this? It must be something. There's no way bro is here for no reason. There's no way he chose this exact spot for no reason. I need them people to make a thread already. Not a thread, jeez. There's just the Mafia Boss members, yo. Whoa, wait. Why are they watching him like that? Yo, why is bro? Wait, this is actually funny. Bro looks like he does not want to be there. But I'm gonna be real. I'm trying to see that song. The extra Drake footage. Yeah, we definitely taking this. Oh my god. Where is he going now? This is like what? An hour long? Yeah, another hour and 20 left. So I really wonder where bro is going, what the significance of this is, what it means. Is Pinocchio gonna pop out of nowhere again like an EP2, bro? The Iceman. How is this ice brand everywhere? What? I don't see it anywhere around me. Did they just like import the truck or something from Canada? Bro, what are these long shots, bro? Just let him get in already. Aye, let's get it. Is he gonna play a new track from Iceman? Is he gonna play a new track? Better be. Yo, did the other whip like despawn? Is that not it behind? Why is he in this one? I thought he was the Iceman. Bruh, I thought he was the Iceman. What? Bro, hold the camera still. What are you doing? Yo, I sound like such a crazy hater. Yo, I'm not even a hater, bro. Yo. That bro just my favorite artist, you know what I mean? Like, it ain't even hating. Alright, he finally going. I think he might put up some song from ICEMAN. Yo, wait, he knows how to drive? I mean, I guess he ain't the president. The president can't drive, people can drive for him, so. Damn, I didn't realize that. I thought he was too rich to drive. Jeez. Yo. Where is...
It's late, so come on. It's late, so how could I forget you?
Yeah. Look, beats like this one make me feel like my soul's free. They pay me to speak from the heart, they think that my soul's free. All of them summers are slappers, baby, you owe me. For real. Probably would slow me down if I carried my trophies. Maybe when no one's around, I rap like the old me. I used to put chains on all of the necks of my broskies, my OGs. Yeah. And now to remember, I took the chains and I broke free. I wonder how long I'll be at the top if they don't kill me. I wonder how long it'll take them to count out 2,000 million.
Like that?
Yeah. 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 And I made way too much in a week. Must be 250 at least. Like the money just grew off a tree. Like the money just came in illegal. Yeah. What? That's just how I feel. Yeah. That's just how. And I love when they talking away. They've been talking since 2008. I do tricks with the money and fame. Give it to you, then take it away. That's just how I feel. Yeah. That's just how. And I went bought a whip for my brother. Same body but two different colors. And I might just sell, I get another. Small price cause he kept it 100. Yeah, yeah. Shout out to Kiki, she love me. Promise me we don't talk about money. Bitch stepping in whatever country. 18 years when we haven't been rusty. 5 years when you rappers turn dusty. And you whole niggas think you can touch me. Whenever y'all fall out of love me. Yeah. Guess that's how y'all feel. Yeah. Guess that's how y'all. And I really did fuck up the summer. Not the same way I fucked up last summer. Got my wrist going dumber and dumber. Got my chain going dumber and dumber. For real. Yeah. And I made way too much in a week. Must be 250 at least. Like the money just grew off a tree. Like the money just came in illegal. Yeah. What? That's just how I feel. Yeah.
Damn!
That's just how I feel. Yeah. Yeah. That's just how. Can't come put me to sleep. I swear Baba without young weak. Cause the words we be saying are deep. But the truth is I'm not always free for real. Yeah. Yeah. That's just how. When I come back from tour this fall, will you really accept it from me? You just text me like we. We in Paris like 200 deep for real.
Ooh!
Yeah, MRI machine scanning my knee. Like how long you been running the streets for real?
3 different beat switches.
Yeah, and my broski just beated his headline out here fucking the same host as me for real.
He sounds so different.
That's just how I feel. Yeah.
Well, it's actually
That's
gonna be
just how.
generational.
And I love when they talking away. They've been talking since 2008. I do tricks with the money and fame. Give it to you and take it away for real. Yeah.
For real.
That's just how I feel.
Yeah.
That's just how. And I went bought a whip for my brother. Same body but 2 different colors. Yeah. Yeah. That's just how I feel.
That was tough. I actually really liked that as well. I thought that was actually crazy. Yo. The 3 different beat switches, bro. The voice sounded so different as well. Like, I don't know what he done to his voice, but it actually sounded so different.
Yo, okay.
There's so many songs.
Let me pipe it up. Let me lay Como, cigarette boat. Cashmere socks, cashmere coat. Last year was funny, niggas had.
Bro. It was good. Yo, we're gonna get a replay on that. That was so what? It was going so well. Why'd you stop it?
Yo, okay.
Bro, think he Black Boy Max. I'm trolling.
Yeah, let me pipe it up. Let me lay Como, cigarette boat, cashmere socks, cashmere coat. Last year was funny, niggas had.
That's, bro. This album's gonna be a classic. The first hour it drops, bro. The first millisecond. Okay, we gotta stop glazing.
Yo.
Is that him speaking?
Hey.
Wait, he's freestyling.
Cigarette boat, cashmere sock, cashmere coat. Last year was funny, niggas had bad jokes. Now niggas see me out in person and they choke.
Is it live?
With your eyes, you look good, I would hope.
It is!
Nigga, you don't really wanna know. You got two eyes, you can see how shit go. You can tell the shit come with highs and the lows. Around spritz, hairs getting poached. Caviar on toast, I don't even know. 80K a night, man, they better do the most. All these other niggas been acting like they woke. I ain't even know how bad they wanna see me go. I ain't even know.
That's true.
Damn, I ain't even know. They wanna see me go. Wanna see me broke. Wanna see my motherfucking kids down on the floor. Down on the ends on the rockin' out that soul to the low. Damn, I ain't even know.
Are you texting and driving? Hell nah. I'm trolling.
Yeah. Hey, let me pipe it up.
Yeah.
Lay Como, cigarette boat, cashmere sock, cashmere coat. Last year was funny, niggas had bad jokes. Now niggas see me out in person and they choke. What's up with your eyes? You been good, I would hope.
Wait, these camera angles are crazy. Yo, look at the amount of cars behind him protecting him. This must have been like 5 a.m. there, or 4.
You can tell this shit come with highs and the lows. Aperol spritz, caviar on toast, hairs getting poached. I don't even know. 80K a night, man, they better do the most. All these other pussies stay pretending like they woke. Enemy is nothing, that's just mirrors in the smoke. Slipping down a slope. I ain't even know how bad they wanna see me go. Y'all wanna see me go?
It's true, they do.
Oh yeah, y'all wanna see me go?
The GOAT.
Yeah. Oh yeah, y'all wanna see me go? Y'all wanna see me dead on my motherfucker, bro? Y'all wanna see me broke? Y'all wanna see me hopping out there bitching like I'm dope? You wanna see me out there, bitch? I got a low. Wanna see me go, huh? Oh yeah, y'all wanna see me go? Yeah, y'all wanna see me go? See me go?
The mic is kind of low though. I ain't even gonna lie. Hey. Bro, he keep repeating that. That must be some kind of message. I mean, obviously everyone wants to see him go with last year and everything, but bro, he's still the GOAT. He's still on top.
What?
No glaze.
What? I could never go.
He could never.
I might pop up in it, like, oh, thinking out that low. They don't wanna see me go.
You gotta listen closely because the mic is so low.
Yeah. Damn.
I don't think there's the song though that released today, no? Apparently it's like Somebody Loves Me Part 2 with Party Next Door, so. Oh, why is City so extravagant? Why is everything so extravagant that he does? Ooh. That was fire though. I wonder if they like practiced this and rehearsed it before, or if he's just doing it first try. Is he going there? Because they keep like showing this shot. There's the song, there's the song, there's the song. These men must own it. Wait, I don't think this even is the song. I think this is just the stuff they have in between. Yeah, it is. Yo, I really got excited. Okay. Who that? Yo, why that look like Lucian Grange? I think he's about to come in here. Let's skip ahead, because, bro, 1 hour is diabolical, but... Oh! Wait. Bro, imagine being the guy in the costume. Imagine how cringe it has to be and embarrassing. I mean, obviously, this is, these are actors, but still, imagine if it was real. Bro, I seem like such a hater, bro. I'm not a hater, bro. This is legit my favorite artist. I'm saying this all the time because it looks like I'm hating, but I'm not. Yo, why the... There's more! Oh yeah, because 20v1. Why the nose, like, grow longer? Wait, do more come in? Yes, they do. 4 of them. What they discussing? Ice. They trying to sabotage the ICEMAN album like they had Justin Bieber randomly drop out of nowhere. UMG. The ICEMAN correlation. I don't know what that is, but maybe it's like pushing the red button, red? I don't know. Wait, so the main song that came out hasn't been premiered yet? Whoa. It's red paint. What are you saying? Legs? Legacy? Yeah, it must be Legacy, no? Yeah, it is. Legacy. They're trying to kill his legacy. And they're throwing ice. They're trying to do it with the ICEMAN album. Is that him coming in now? I think it might be him. The Iceman legacy. They're really trying to sabotage and kill it. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, wait, what's next? Cause I was gonna say just the song, but it's not. Oh, wait, who is that? Somebody is gonna appear here now. Who is that? Who that? Is that Kanye merch? Is that easy? So what's the like significance of this? I don't get it. Like, what is going? Oh wait, is that? Yeah, that is. I thought so. I thought it's his. I thought so. Is this like the Iceman there? I'm guessing this is just the place he's staying at. To be honest, I'm not.
If my baby straight up, that doesn't mean that we're breaking up. That just means that I took a Pamela pill and we're breaking it up. And now we're stuck like traffic stuck. We're stuck like that, stuck like you were stuck. We're stuck like that.
This has to be the new song.
Stick out your tongue, swallow half of it, go on, and now we're stuck like traffic stuck. We're stuck like that, stuck like you were stuck. We're stuck like that, stuck with you, I'm stuck, baby.
Wait, this kinda nice.
Swallow half of it,
I think this will grow on me more though. Wait, it might not be the new song. No, don't blur it! Show it more!
Hey Cindy, you're bad.
Is that time? No, it's him. There's no way.
Molly make her dance with her ass hot.
Yeah, it's him.
Whoa, daddy make her, Chris Cross make her, jump out to Jamaica, dance. Molly make her dance with her ass hot. I like what I saw, so I can't stop.
Bro, this is gonna be a classic. First time he's doing this.
Hey, Cindy, how much really you wanna Cindy? Okay, I got that me. Okay, shout out to your ICEMAN, I crashed out. That nigga be tripping on the crash out. You ain't color back in the glass house, you good. Okay. Yo, wait.
Down. Like, I ain't even trying to glaze on, but that was insanely fat. I need this to come out already. Why is it not out? So, is more gonna play, or why did they just stop? Is he gonna come out? I mean, I'm guessing he's gonna come out. Yeah, he is. changed from the Iceman outfit. Okay. What's going on here? So like, was that the main song that released today or what? That's Pinocchio. See the significance. Now we hear him.
Sure. See, and then leave it carry on. Okay, so back to the car, and then we will.
Were we supposed to hear that? I don't think we were supposed to hear that. I'm not gonna lie. Hello? Is he there? Alright. He in? What now? I do feel like before it was just the production muting the mic crazy. Because they can just mute it randomly, like when he was walking there, for example. They just mudded it. Wait. When they start playing a song though or some. I think this is the one that released today. I think it is. I don't know though. Yeah, it is. Nigga run up, then he gon' get shot. I just ran a million up on God. Somebody loves you part 2. She scream out no Mars. Clean ain't real, but that shit a facade. Gave me chills when I found out you lied. The nerve of you, I thought you were right. Thought you were slide. My bitch says she need a cash app, I'ma send that like high. I don't even wonder why. No, my bitch so fly. No, she the prize. Light skin 5'5", nice eyes, ass on the thigh. This is definitely gonna grow on me. It's like alright right now, but it's the time to grow. I need to hear Drake though first. Because I can't tell if this Paddy or if this Cash Cobain, because I know he's featured.
We out in Brooklyn, turning up another notch. I'm slizzy drizzy, baby, you know how I rock. I'm doing toast with my moles at the spot. I'm a stunner, I'm a C that's on God. No man, time's up and he's on the clock. I wear my rollie upside down in the spot. That way the 6s is always on top. She said her bestie wanna get home and swap. I said, well, this time I might have to. I said, well, this time I might be a thought. I can't tell y'all stop. She just did a bean out of Boston.
Might be a what? Alright, enough posing, bro.
A Tesla in Texas, self-drive. A Thiz on the bridge, see the city lights. A name on the guest list, so am I. Let's go inside.
It's good. Hey. More than good. Okay. Is this Paddy now, or was that him before? Because I couldn't tell.
I'm still in the club looking for love. Oh, no, no, no.
I don't know. That's him, it's him.
Super turned up, all 2, 3, all 2, 3. Had to turn up, had to turn up. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Somebody who loves me in the building. Somebody who feel me in the feeling. We throw 50 down to the ceiling. Oh, yeah. I know there's somebody who loves me. Somebody who really loves me. And that's all I
But now I want to listen to the original song.
Yeah.
That was still good. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I think that would just grow on me because all the songs that Drake makes just grow on me crazy. Instantly, it's usually like, yeah, it's fire, but it gets even more fire after time passes. I'm not gonna lie. But I'm not saying it's bad. It's never bad. I ain't gonna lie. It never is bad. At the start when I first listened to it. So what's next now? Do they premiere the Doghouse song with Yeat? Because I think that was only that hasn't been premiered yet. Because we have heard them beats at the start. We have heard Oh wait, this is just... It's gonna be a new location. Yeah, wait. Pinocchio. He here. He here. He getting down. He here, bro. He getting down. Is he stalking him or something? It looked like he's stalking him. I'm going to all these locations. Yeah, he's even at the Iceman location now. Ooh. They're gonna be in this room now. I'm guessing, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, I'm pretty sure there's the room where they say like 20v1. Yeah, look, he appears here. Let's get him to go. What am I hearing? 20v1! The 20v1! Bro, this beat is crazy! I need this album already, oh my god. Bruh! Can't wait to hear how he raps on this. Bro, it better release this year and not in 2026. Because it's about to be Ice. I'm guessing it's just gonna release in the winter or like November. So it's Iceman. And look, Pinocchio as well. And he's running away. 20v1. He's scared, he's confused. Well, I don't know if scared, but you know what I mean? He'd go. I don't think he's scared. The big shoes. Bro, I think I just skipped too far, bro. Maybe this where the new song go on premiere. Maybe it wasn't the one before. But look at the big shoes, bro. And a small man. Big stepping with a size 7 mains on. You're here. That's funny. Bro, this beat is so like ominous. This beat is so... You hear that? Ooh. Yeah. Alright. So where next? There's nothing exactly following him. And as much as I want to see everything, I have a TikTok attention span. But we can see though, he is confused though, for real. Damn, look, yeah, they're taking over. This is the only place he has left. 1 over here, 4 was over here. 1 is over here right now. Let me move my camera a little, look. You see that? He's right there. Yeah, they're taking over all. Found the camera. Bro, imagine being behind that suit. Oh, we have a new location. Is this the Iceman location? No, that's the stadium. He's probably performing at that stadium. That's why. Alright, he's here finally. I think he's going to the club. Yeah, he is. They not denying?
Sorry.
I mean, they're not accepting him? Nah, he is. Why are you wearing a trench coat like that?
But it's like how your brain forgot.
Let's go. Come on. I told her to get in the wind with me. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Wait.
You already knew what it was. Let's go. You know my hoe.
That's the song with you.
I need to wait for a song.
Why is it stopping?
Yeah, come out and play. Show face, some way, just think. Show me.
Bro, no, it's me.
Thankful now, cause I showed you the light that you're good. Won't hold you. I told you, I need you like now.
I thought I heard this already once.
Give me face.
Ain't that from his new
In the city, show face.
Dangerous Recipe?
I pop out in the city. Okay, baby, need me. Go up, go down. Go up, go up, go down. Go up, go up, go down. Go up, go up, go up, go down. Who the fuck is you and why the fuck you in my section? I just need to come into my place and find the exit. This is damn slime, this is damn slime. Come and go out. This is damn slime, this is damn slime. Come and go out. Diamonds on my head, cut my babies. And she pull up, wanna suck my babies. I'ma get what's up for her face goes. In that pussy play, I call it pay though.
Or is it for the Beach House song? Or Doghouse, Doghouse. It might be it now, I don't know.
When they're out searching for my body, I don't know who they'll find. They've taken
Who that?
everything from me.
Or is that just the sample?
Chew me up and spit me out. Big dog loves a crowd. Well, tell them to search my house. I bet they find you face down.
Yeah. Shout out to her ex, he a crash out. Took too many pills, he a crash out. She ain't hitting heels in a glass house. I like what I saw and so I cashed out. You're bad. Hey Cindy, you're bad. You're bad. I like what I saw and so I cashed out. Yeah, yeah. Molly make her, what? Molly make her dance with her ass out. Damn. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah. Daddy Mac make her. Chris Crosser make her jump out to Jamaica. Yeah, jump up out the bed, she bout to jump. Hey, jump up on the flight, she bout to jump. Yeah, jump like John Moran, she bout to jump. Little girls trip, little photo dump. Yeah, what? Just like Nikki said, money make her come. What? Give me quickie head, girl, I'm bout to run. Gotta run, girl, I'm picky and you my number one. Yeah. Molly make her dance with her ass out. Yeah, with my money bout to fame, it get passed out. Hey, what? Molly make her dance with her ass out. Hey, yeah, Molly make her dance with Fiber on the jacket, baby. Jesse Joe my pants, baby. Just like Biggie said, I just need one chance, baby. Just like Drizzy said, I just need one dance, baby. Baby, 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 baby. Yeah. Shout out to her ex, he a crash out. Took too many pills, he a crash out. She ain't hitting heels in a glass house. I like what I saw and so I cashed out. You're bad. Hey Cindy, you're bad. You're bad. I like what I saw and so I cashed out. Yeah. Molly make her, what? Molly make her dance with her ass out. Hey.
Show. This is actually fire.
So fuck a jag, I got 2 coolers up. All my bitches wet for me, I'm suited up, they scuba up. I pull up and sit on them, baby, I do it a lot. I'm fucking it from the bottom and straight to the top. Yeah, I'm money started in the penny, but now it's a lie. It's hard to swallow the truth, but baby, it swallowed me a lot. Molly make her dance with her ass out. Damn.
Whoa. Doghouse is crazy. I ain't gonna cap. That was insane. That was actually. Hell nah. Yeah. Oh, Doghouse is so crazy. I'm after listen to that again after. Jeez.
I'm working online.
Penny X.
Is this some for his own album or? Bro, Yeat for real lost so much weight. Oh my god. Yeah. I think there's just another beat. Yeah, it is. We back on the other beat. There even anything happen? I don't think so, apart from just Pinocchio's walking around. Wait! Bro, this album is gonna be so good. Please release it already. I know it's not winter, but oh my god. Rest in peace, Giorgio Armani. Wait, he dead? I realized RIP, bro. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. This was fire. Like, it's probably the best episode today. I know the first one was iconic, but yeah, I don't know, bro. The amount of songs we got previewed, the amount of good songs, everything was good. More than good, it was fire. Yo, this album's gonna be a classic.